On the Health Watch this morning, experts warn that a global epidemic of blindness is actually on the horizon. They say the cause is all the hours we spend staring at our computers, our phones, our iPads. You get the picture. Dr. Ben Larson with Advanced Eye Care is here to talk to us more about it. Always great to see you. Thanks for coming in, Doc.
Thank you, Amy.
I bet this is not surprising at all to you.
Well, no, and you know, blue light gets such a bad rap. I mean, it's actually good for us in some ways. Helps with our mood, sleep cycles. Heck, it's why the sky's blue, right? But that high energy light can wreak havoc on our eye health.
What are you seeing in your practice as far as this is concerned? What kind of problems are people coming in with?
Well, they come in because they get eye strain on the computer, which makes sense because blue light scatters. And it can be confusing to the visual system to keep that in focus. So they say that, you know, when they're on the computer for 8 hours a day,
which a lot of people are,
they're having a hard time focusing. So we put a little treatment in their lenses that blocks the blue light. But what scientists now are more worried about, and we're in the middle of a huge human experiment for eye health. I mean, the iPhone's only, I think, 10 years old. We're worried about the accumulation of blue light and macular degeneration. And that's a hard one to treat. And there's, I think, 200 million new cases a year, and another 200,000 are wet. Now, that's the bad form.
Okay.
If you get wet macular degeneration, well, then you need injections into your eye. I would rather prevent that.
Now, macular degeneration, it runs in my family. My grandfather had it. My mother has it.
Boy.
So I know it's something that's hereditary, but it sounds like what you're saying is it's also something that you might get simply from staring at the screen, which is scary.
So smoking too, okay, bad nutrition, but the blue light now, the high energy light, when scientists have experimented on rats, they've shown that excessive amounts can cause premature macular degeneration. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so Doc, what can we do? Are there certain things that we can be doing throughout the day that will help us?
Well, children especially, they're closer to the tablets and whatnot. A good old-fashioned book would be better, okay? But we know that's hard to do. So you can have them wear glasses without correction that have blue light blocking treatments. Take breaks, of course, but the best thing to do really is just to be knowledgeable of that, have your eyes checked every year. We can screen genetically even for those that are predisposed. We take a little swab of the inside of your cheek, send it to a lab, and if you have markers that say that you're predisposed, well, we do other things to prevent. So.
These blue light glasses that you're talking about, do you have some?
I have stuck way down here
because
somewhere.
I've never heard of such a thing.
Well,
so this is something you put over your lenses, and if, like, for instance, I don't need corrective vision or anything, so you just put it over your lenses?
No, it's embedded in your lens, right into your prescription.
Okay, but what if you don't wear glasses? Should you still wear these?
Well, they do, like on the iPhone, if I can say that, they have a sleep mode that softens and goes to the orange-yellow tones, and less blue light is emitted. I wish more people did that, the software developers.
All right, so good to know about that.
So I have mine on sleep mode all day and night.
Okay.
Just because of what I know.
That's good advice from the doctor. So go into your settings, right, and fix that.
Night shift, it's called.
Night shift.
I have it on all day and night.
And that's something we can do right away.
I have that treatment in my computer glasses that I wear, and you know, I'm over 40, so I know. So I have that in my computer pair when I'm working for long hours on the computer, but it's really all you can really do. Oh, sunglasses outside. Of course, the sun emits a lot of blue light. Polarized sunglasses when you're outdoors. Back to children. Bigger pupils. Their lenses in their eyes are crystal clear. As we get older, we do start to develop trace signs of cataracts, which blocks blue light as we get older. But the children, right through. So when they're younger, they have to protect more. Sunglasses and some type of treatment in their eyes. Yeah.
Doc, how can our viewers find you?
Advanced Eye Care, Florida.
Okay, great to have you. Thank you. Such good advice for all of us. So go do that. Get in your settings.com.